Normally, summer start in India from the early March and last until July. Temperatures average around 30 to 48 degree during the summer season. So just install an air conditioner at your home, at least it can make your indoors cool. In this video, I am going to list down the best 3 air conditioner in India. The list of best split air conditioner is based on star rating, power consumption, energy efficiency ratio and decibel level. On number 3, Sanyo 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split air conditioner. Sanyo is a Japanese model air conditioner manufactured to suit Indian condition. The company has robust experience of producing some of the best consumer durables. This air conditioner comes with dual cool inverter technology along with clean air feature built in PM 2.5 and anti-dust filter that helps to remove dust, pollen and suspended particles. Another feature of Sanyo air conditioner is glacier mode that allows 35% higher fan speed over medium mode to deliver instant cooling right when you need it the most. Talking about its MRP is 45,900 and deal price is 32,990 with 28% heavy discount. On number 2, Daikin 1.5 ton 5-star inverter air conditioner FTKG50TV. Daikin is one of the best AC available in India today. Daikin AC comes with some of the best features. Conda airflow. Radiant cooling enhance comfort cooling by evenly distributing air in every corner of the room with the help of one click on your remote control. Another feature is Neo Swing Inverter Compressor. Thanks to its smooth rotation, the Neo Swing compressor decreases friction and vibration. It also prevents leakage of refrigerant gas during compress. Econo mode. Econo mode enables efficient operation by limiting the maximum power consumption. It is useful when using an air conditioner and other electrical devices simultaneously on a shared electrical circuit. This mode helps you in reducing your electricity bill. Talking about its MRP is 55,400 and deal price is 44,100 only with 20% discount. On number 1, Hitachi 1.5 ton 5-star inverter air conditioner RSOG518HDEA. Hitachi brings the best Japanese technology to your bedroom in your AC. This Hitachi AC highlights its expandable inverter compressor that expand its capacity depend on your cooling requirement. Another feature of Hitachi's AC is filter clean indicator. This unique feature reminds you to clean the filter on regular interval, ensuring powerful cooling all the time. Pentasensor technology. Hitachi's intelligent pentasensor technology with its advanced microcontroller offer perfect cooling even in extreme summer, optimizing cooling in load variation and protects critical components of AC. Talking about its MRP is 60,090 and dealing price is 40,990 only with 32% heavy discount. So this was the best 3 1.5 ton split air conditioner in India. Hope this video will be helpful for you.